Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change your weather widgets language. Let's get started! First, open your Command Ninja editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to look for the settings option. Once you've clicked on settings, you'll see a menu with all the different options for customizing your widget. This is where you can get creative and tailor the widget to your exact needs. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on changing the language of the weekdays displayed on the weather widget. Before we get into the language settings, let's quickly go over some of the other customization options available here. You can change the temperature unit from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Just click on the drop-down menu and select Celsius. Next, you can adjust the wind speed unit. By default, it might be set to miles per hour, but if you prefer kilometers per hour, you can easily switch that too. Now onto the main event, changing the language of the weekdays. Look for the language settings section, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. After selecting your language, you should immediately see the weekdays on the widget update to reflect your choice. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, don't forget to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure that all your customizations are applied. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!